आ देता हूँ। See, first formula is equation of simple harmonic equation of stationary wave. It is given by y equals to 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda sine omega t. So whenever you see equation is given, then we have to compare with the standard form. Second is distance between consecutive nodes or antinodes is lambda by 2. Node and nearest antinode is lambda by 4. Then velocity of transverse wave v equals to root of t by m. M is mass per unit length, which is rho into area or rho pi r square. This much copy. So whenever you are starting with MCQ, first you revise this. Then when you start, your formula part will be perfect. Once you complete, please let me know.
Answer.
Answer.
Okay. Fifth one, frequency of vibrating string, comma n equals to 1 upon 12 root of t by m. Then string vibrates with all harmonics, that is n, 2n, 3 and dot dot dot. This is called fundamental. This is called second harmonic or first overtone. So whenever it is overtone, write frequency and count. First overtone, second overtone, third overtone, so that you come to know that given overtone is which harmonic. 7. Air column in closed pipe has frequency, has fundamental frequency first, n equals to V upon 4L, or n equals to V upon 4L plus end correction. If end correction given, then use 4L plus E, no end correction, V upon 4L. 8 vibrates with frequencies n, 3n, 5n, 7n, dot dot dot, that means odd harmonic. 8. Air column in open pipe has fundamental frequency n equals to V upon 2L, or V upon 2L plus 2 times end correction, because it has got opening end from two sides. 8 vibrates with frequencies n, 2n, 3n, dot dot dot. Please copy this much. Hello. Yes, madam. Are no. Actually, continuous lectures are there. Today also I'll be getting free at 10:30. I will start. Suppose Sunday I will keep lecture for you. Sunday evening, is it okay? Sunday evening? 8. You can give. Yes, yes, I will speak. Hello. Sunday evening is okay? 8:30 to 9:30? So Sunday I will fix, don't worry. 8:30 to 9. Yes. You have first sent those questions that we have to discuss, huh? That we'll discuss, and then whatever doubt difficulty is there. When is your exam now? It is fixed now? No, our JEE exam, what date they have come out there? Date is not yet confirmed, because NEET cert is confirmed 13 September. Acha, I thought you are going to give entrance now. Fine, fine, fine. Then no problem. No, no. I was worried how I can complete the portion, because already you have to give JEE. You have to give in 2021, huh? No problem, no problem. I will start. Don't worry. Then I will start. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, bye. Yes, yes. Bye, bye. Completed?
Yes, almost done.
Completed. But please, whenever you are revising numerical or MCQ, go through this notes 2-3 times. Then automatically formula will enter in your mind.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, can I clear now?
हाँ सर.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलो एक और दो फॉर्मूला है फॉर रेजोनेंस ट्यूब B equals to 4n L plus end correction is 0.3 D. If L1 comma L2 are consecutive resonating lengths, then lambda is twice of L2 minus L1 or E is L2 minus 3L1 upon 2. This completes all formula. Copy.
Answer.
Come to page number. Open from PDF, page number 27 in PDF.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 16. Page number 27, sum number 16. The fundamental frequency of pipe open at closed at one end is in unison with the third overtone of open pipe. Unison means same frequency. So fundamental frequency of pipe closed at one end. So I'm writing this as N suffix C. N means frequency of closed pipe. It is in unison with third overtone of open organ pipe. Third overtone of open organ pipe is nothing but 4 times fundamental frequency of open. I'm explaining how it becomes 4 times. Calculate ratio of length of air column. So ratio of closed pipe to the open pipes ratio we have to calculate. Open pipe vibrates with frequencies N, 2N, 3N, 4N, 5N dot dot dot. It has all frequencies. First one is called fundamental, first overtone, second overtone, third overtone. So third overtone is fundamental, 4 times fundamental frequency. according to given condition, fundamental of closed is 4 times fundamental of open, that means third overtone. This is V upon 4 times length of closed pipe. So since third overtone, so it is 4 times V upon 2 times length of open pipe. 2 into 2, 4, VV cancel. So length of closed pipe upon open is 1 by 8. So ratio of length 1 is to 8. So only important is how to check which overtone is that harmonic. So whenever overtone given, I will write frequency and I will count. Open pipe has frequency all n, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count fundamental, first overtone, second overtone, third overtone. So third overtone is fourth harmonic. Solve now. Done?
Yes, sir.
So again done?
Awesome.
17. Show that for pipe open at both end correction is given by E equals to N1 L1 minus N2 L2 upon 2 times N2 minus N1, where the symbols have usual meaning. So they are telling there is two open pipe, one is having length L1, other is having length L2, then show that end correction is given by this formula. For open pipe, we know fundamental frequency is V upon 2L, with end correction it is L plus 2. Nothing given, frequency you will take fundamental only. So for first pipe it is N1 V upon 2 times L1 plus 2E equation 1. N2 will be V upon 2 times L2 plus 2E equation number 2. Dividing 1 by 2 we get N1 upon N2 is L2 plus 2E upon L1 plus 2E. Now clearly you can see in ratio V by 2 will get cancelled, and N and length are ulta, so directly I wrote. Now cross multiply. N1 L1 plus 2 times N1E equals to N2 L2 plus 2 times N2E. So N1 L1 minus N2 L2 equals to 2 times N2E minus 2 times N1E. So N1 L1 minus N2 L2 is equals to 2E common inside N2 minus N1. So E becomes N1 L1 minus L2 L2 upon twice of N2 minus N1. Hence proved. Copy. Simple derivation. Simple proof. Done?
No, sir. Done, sir.
Can I clear now? Hello? Again? Cleared?
She is in a meeting, sir.
Sum number 18. See now. In a resonance tube experiment, a tuning fork resonates with air column of length 10 centimeter, and again it resonates when length is 32.2 centimeter. Calculate wavelength lambda and end correction. So first formula is lambda equals to twice of L2 minus L1, which is twice of 32.2 minus 10, that is twice of 22.2, 44.4 centimeter. Then end correction is L2 minus 3L1 upon 2. So 32.2 minus 3 into 10 upon 2, that will become 32.2 minus 30 upon 2. So 2.2 upon 2 equals to 1.1 centimeter. Clear? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
हेलो सर।
Hello?
हाँ सर, वो मेरा वाईफाई की वजह से एग्जिट हो गया।
कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना, अभी आपका इतना बोला फिर भी आप लोग नहीं करा रहे, कोई चीज तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
सर कराने के लिए बोला है, वो आने वाला है। ही इज नॉट एबल टू कम घर पे टू रिपेयर इट एक्चुअली। आप मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग भेज सकते हो?
आज तो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, जरूर भेज सकता हूँ।
Done, sir.
Now we have completed numerical. I'm starting with MCQ. Come to page number 36. Reverse I'm going. MCQ page number 36. This can I clear?
I'm done writing that, sir.
Okay, Akin, you have done writing?
नहीं सर। डन सर।
Come to page number 36, sum number 55, MCQs of stationary waves. Page number 36, reverse I am going from 55. In a resonance tube sounded with tuning fork of frequency 256 Hz, then the resonance is occurring at 35 centimeter and 105 centimeter. What is velocity of sound about? So whenever we see resonance occurring at two consecutive lengths, then lambda formula is twice of L2 minus L1, and V is n lambda, therefore it will be n into twice of L2 minus L1. N is given 256 into twice of 105 minus 35, that is 256 into 2, 105 minus 35 is 70. So 256 into 2 is 512 into 70. 7 into 2 is 14. 7 and 1 8. 7 5s are 35 and 0 this many centimeter per second, or 358.40 meter per second. So answer is about 360, that is A.
Understood.
Next one, number 54. The shortest length of air column in a tube closed at one end resonates with the tuning fork at length of 16 centimeters. That means minimum length L1 is 16 centimeters. At what length second resonance will take place with the tuning fork? At what length second resonance will take place? Now I don't know whether you recollect, second resonance means when it is raised further with same wavelength, this is called second resonance. So in that we see 1, 2, 3 lambda by 4. So L2 is nearly 3 lambda by 4. That is 3 into 16 upon 4. 4 4s are 16. एक second. हेलो, हाँ 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 सर, हाँ 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 बराबर, हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं ठीक है, वही तो। कुछ नहीं, वो जो फर्स्ट टाइम 10,000 मेरे अकाउंट में दिया था और मैंने आपको दिया था बस। और इसका अनुष्का का, हाँ बाकी का वो आप उनसे आपसे डायरेक्ट बात हुआ था। नहीं नहीं वही, यस यस। नहीं वो तो अपना आप, मुझे तो मालूम नहीं, मैं आपसे डायरेक्ट बात किया था ना, खाली अनुष्का के डैडी ने क्या बोला कि सर मैं आपके अकाउंट में डालू क्या, तो मुझे दिया और मैंने आपको दे दिया। नहीं आपने तो उनको बोला था ना कि 10-10 करके दे दो, तो उनका अक्टूबर तक कंप्लीट होना चाहिए था। ठीक है सर, ठीक है। हेलो, 1 minute, there is lambda by 4 is not, एक एक सेकंड, एक वर्डिंग रॉन्ग कर दिया मैंने। lambda by 4 is actually L1 ना, this distance is L1 which is lambda by 4, so I will write here 16, so it is nearly 48 centimeter. Any doubt in the sum? Hello?
No, sir.
If theory is done perfectly, then chapter is very simple. So first resonance takes place with minimum antinode, minimum node. Second resonance will take next mode, which we have studied in theory. It becomes 3 times lambda by 4. Done?
Yes, sir.
Next one again, very simple. In a resonance tube experiment, first and second resonating position occurs respectively at first and second. So L1 and L2 are occurring at 28 centimeter and 88 centimeter respectively. If the frequency of fork is 300 Hertz, then the speed of sound is how much? This is similar to that last sum. Speed of sound is n lambda, so n into twice of L2 minus L1, that is 300 into 2, 88 minus 28, so 600 into 60 equals to 36000 centimeter per second, which is 360 meter per second. 360 meter per second is option B. 22. A tube closed at one end and containing air is producing fundamental frequency of 512. Closed at one end, fundamental frequency is 512. When the same length of tube is open, what will be the frequency? Length is same, it gets open. What is the frequency? Length is same. So fundamental frequency of closed pipe is V by 4L. Open pipe V upon 2L. Length of closed, frequency of closed upon open is V upon 4L into 2L by V. VV, LL cancel, 2 into 2, 4. So open pipe will become double of closed. That is 2 into 512, which is 421,024 hertz. You can by it also. If closed pipe is open, frequency becomes double. Same way, when open pipe is closed, frequency becomes half. Right.
Done, sir.
Next is very important sum. Very important and conceptual. Very, very important. In an organ pipe closed at one end, fundamental frequency closed at one end, fundamental frequency is 1500 hertz. Maximum number of overtone. Maximum number of overtones will be how much by the pipe which a normal person can hear. So I should know what normal person can hear maximum. So normal person can hear maximum frequency up to 20,000 hertz. We all know this audible range, maximum is 20.
Yes, sir.
So I have to find 1500 का कितना multiple इसमें आएगा, because it vibrates with closed pipe, vibrates with 1500. Second wala will be 3 into 1500, then 5 into 1500, and so on. So I'm checking how many such multiples are present in 20,000. उतना उसको सुनाई पड़ेगा. So whenever they say in given frequency, closed pipe का कितना overtone he can hear. So frequency maximum he can hear 20,000. In this I have to find what multiples of 1500 are present. If it is closed pipe, then it should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So first I'm finding n given upon fundamental frequency closed wale ka multiplier. So this is 20,000 given. Fundamental of closed is given 1500, 2 zeros I can cancel. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. So this becomes 13.33. But you can't take 0.33 because frequencies are integral multiple. So maximum it will be 13 times. So n given must be 13 times fundamental. But closed pipe has frequency n, 3n, 5n, 7n, 9n, 11n, 13n dot dot dot. So 13, I'm counting how many overtone. Fundamental, this is called first overtone, second overtone, third overtone, fourth overtone, fifth overtone, sixth overtone. So sixth overtone tak he can hear because that is coming up to 20,000 hertz. So maximum overtone what he can hear is sixth overtone. Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
कंसेप्चुअल समय है 1500 तो he can hear, तो 1500 का ऐसा कितना 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 multiplier which comes up to 20,000. So I found ratio, I got 13. So 13th harmonic I counted which overtone. So fundamental 3 is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, we got 6 times fundamental. So 6th overtone is the answer. Please copy properly, very important sum.
So इसमें तो एक ही confusion हो सकता है. Students might just mark 13 and leave it at that.
Yes, correct. 13 they
हाँ.
can mark. They don't want harmonic, they want fundamental.
Over.
Overtone.
Yes, understood.
देखो एक और चीज इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया है, और 20,000 हमको मालूम रहना चाहिए. A human ear can hear maximum 20,000. If I don't know that value, I cannot solve this.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Answer.
One more sum. Sum number 50. A closed organ pipe of length L and open organ pipe, length is not given, contain gas of density rho 1, rho 2. compressibility is equal in both pipes. Both the pipes are vibrating in first overtone with same frequency. Then length of or open organ pipe is sum number 15 here. What is same? First overtone frequency is same, na? Frequency of first overtone of closed is same as frequency of first overtone of open. This is given. Read and check. Is it same given?
Yes, sir.
First overtone. First overtone of closed means 3 times fundamental of closed, because it has got n, 3 and 5 and ये वाला हार्मोनिक, तो इसको फंडामेंटल बोलते हैं, इसको फर्स्ट. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
And first overtone of open will be 2 times fundamental of open. Now for closed pipe, gas is different, so speed will be different. So I can say speed V in first case upon 4 times length of closed pipe. दोनों का gas अलग है, so I can't write V same. This is V upon 2 times length of open. 2 you can cancel, V in the second pipe. Now length of open pipe will become 4 times length of closed pipe upon 3 into V2 by V1. Till this you follow? I just cross multiplied. Length of open is 4 times length of closed upon 3 times V1 V2. This you follow? Okay. अभी इसके बाद ना आपको थोड़ा सा 11th standard मालूम रहना चाहिए. Velocity of sound in gas is V equals to root of gamma P by rho, where gamma P is called bulk modulus upon rho. Reciprocal of bulk modulus is called as compressibility. So that telling compressibility is same. So I can cancel this K when it comes. Just copy this much, then I'm explaining further. So further I substituted V as K by rho 2 for V2 and V1 is root of K by rho 1. K is same, they have given compressibility का reciprocal को bulk modulus बोलते हैं physics में, which is in chapter called elasticity. Done?
Yes, sir.
That's all for today. Then directly we are meeting on Monday again. Sunday test on stationary wave theory. Because
Tomorrow is a test.
no, Sunday test. Sunday.
Okay, Sunday. Okay. What time, sir?
Anytime you can write.
Okay, because I already have one college test of 5
You write on
chapters.
Monday. It is for Akin.
And no, Monday also I have the same
No, that's not